volume of a cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder formula is V is equal to pi r squared h. Right, so r is the radius and h is the height. And we know pi, right, is that little pi button, right, which is the ratio between the circumference and the diameter. So let's go ahead and find the volume of the cylinder in the first example. So we're going to find the volume of the cylinder with a diameter of 3 feet and a height of 4 feet. So this is 3 and this is 4. So if we're going to go ahead and find the volume, which is pi, radius, well, 3 divided by 2 is then 1.5 squared times our height, right, which is 4. Now let's go ahead and go 1.5 squared. So 1.5 squared, or if we just go times 1.5, which is the same thing, it's 2.25. Now let's go, I'm going to go times 4 times this pi button, and we're going to get 28.27. So we'll round to the nearest hundredth, and this is in feet. Actually, not squared, it's cubed, because this is a volume. So feet cubed. Now let's go ahead and now look at the second example. So example 2, we're going to find the volume of this fertilizer tank below to determine how much fertilizer will be needed to fill it. So the dimensions are inside dimensions. And this is likely, right, inches, but it's just not stated. So if we look at this, volume is pi r squared times the height. Now, radius, right, is the diameter in half. So 144 divided by 2, which is equal to 72. So we have the volume, which is pi, then 72 squared times the height, which is 143, right? This is our height of our cylinder. So this is 143. So let's go 72, and I'm going to show you if we do, right, if we square it, like equals 5,184, or if we go 72 times 72, right, we get to the same answer. So just to show you 2 different ways to get there. Times 143 times pi, and what do we get? Well, we get a really large number, right? And this is inches cubed. Right, and so this is inches cubed, so that makes more sense also why it's so large. So this is our volume of the fertilizer tank, which could be really helpful to know how much fertilizer we can put in.